Hi folks, it's Ken from Digital Matter. Today I'm just going to give a quick intro to our Oyster Global and Remora Global series that we're really excited about launching. Our current Remora and Oyster uses a great combo modem that has got both CAT-M1 and NB-IoT capability. It's got great low power operation performance, which results in the super long battery life that we get from the current devices. It's also got great performance in terms of its range and its penetration into things like underground basements. And it's part of the LTE and 5G spec. So you kind of rest assured that you've got longevity in terms of this technology and how long it's going to be around for. One of the challenges that we've had is that the rollout of these CAT-M1 and NB-IoT networks globally has been quite slow in some places. So what happens is that not all countries support these great low power network types. We have customers that want to deploy units globally and know that they're going to get online on a network, and this presents a bit of a problem for them. And that's the reason why we've looked at this global range. So the new global range are not replacement versions to the current Remora and Oyster. They're new additional versions with a new type of modem in them, enabling connectivity on 4G Cat1 bis with 2G fallback. And I encourage you to have a look at Jared Ping's great video on 4G Cat1 bis and the technology used in the global range, where he takes a bit more of a deep dive into the technology. Really what I want to focus on today is the reasons why you would consider the global range. And there are two real main key use cases that I'd like to present. The one is if you have assets that you need to send all over the world. So you need a tracker that'll get online wherever there's a cell phone network. And that's really what the promise of the global series is. The second one is you want a battery powered tracker, but you're operating in a country or a region where you don't have these low power LTM, CAT-M1, NB-IoT networks. So you want to maybe get online today using an existing 2G network and be able to upgrade it to 4G if and when those 2G networks get discontinued or shut down. The decision tree that I'd like to put forward to you today is that if you've got good CAT-M1 or NB-IoT coverage where you operate, then by all means stick with the current units. They're slightly cheaper, they've got longer battery life, they've got great performance in terms of their range and penetration, and they're part of the 5G spec. But by all means, look at the new global series. If you need to deploy units globally and you need roaming across a bunch of different countries where you might not be convinced or sure that they've got CAT-M and NB-IoT coverage. So things like supply chain, shipping devices, shipping product all over the world, and you need to be able to track it and get it online. For example, in Australia, we've got great CAT-M and NB-IoT networks, but you might want to be shipping product to say somewhere like Papua New Guinea, where they need to get online on the 2G or 4G network there, then the global series would be a good option for you. The other decision to consider is you may operate in a territory where there's no CAT-M and NB-IoT coverage yet, and you need a 2G unit that can upgrade to 4G when you're ready. There's a lot of talk in the market about the 2G networks being sunset, so it creates a bit of uncertainty when customers are looking to buy a unit. A lot of them are reluctant to buy a 2G only device that may need to be replaced, say, in 2 years' time when the 2G network gets shut down. So in summary, the new global series leverages off the same Oyster and Remora functionality that you know today. We'll have units available soon for evaluation. We have a new product introduction production run planned for August, and hopefully the modems get delivered on time from our suppliers, in which case we'll have units for you to start doing your evaluations, followed very soon by a mass production run for any kind of deployment and rollout that you might want. So have a chat to your local Digital Matter office and get some more info from there, and by all means have a look at Jared's video that he's done on the Cat1 bis connectivity for a bit more information about how the device works and operates. Thank you.